31.
It looks as if you say no more expect anything different from Hearts versus Karela.
No, me say score line na no me.
Karela are the best, one of the best traveling away teams in Ghana Premier League. When you look at the statistics and data, in fact, on the table, Hearts of Folk are just 4 points ahead of Karela. It wasn't as if a small team being a bank crying. I'm on an abo. And I've said it several times. The work of the body of work of Coach Nurudin is clear for everybody to see. And so what here as Didi Dramani Kanya or can say we know the opponent. Say or no, he sits back and they do a lot of attacking transitions. So they soak the press and then they turn it over. The bigger issue for Hearts of Folk is the fact that it is one of those games again where they don't score. For me, the problem is not about some ball drawn. My problem with Hearts of Folk with another game on boy the inability of scoring. Because Karela are known for this. Ono otimi show one, no abetina 1-1 or the call. Otimi Chayana Bono, watching the one last minute no atin or the call. But when you go spells like this and you don't win games, you don't score goals out. That is where the bigger problem for Accra Hearts of Folk are. And they need to look at it. To be very honest, Didi Dramani is a season where we are. I would think he has had ample time with the team to be able to make changes from the attacking front. The use of Mauli Wayomo, the use of Hussein Mo. What does he get? What does he want from the players? Say the constant rhetoric of Debia, the body orientation away from the goal, the body orientation towards the goal. Didi,
Brofo?
No, I will not agree. Everybody go feel hear some. But the truth of the matter is that solutions have to be found. And I won't put it far off Didi Dramani. Obet me finding solutions in Accra Hearts of Folk. Because I don't know whether he knew the state the club was in terms of transfers and so on signing there. But if things remain as they are, it means that Hearts will not be able to sign another player.
Yeah.
And he would have to find ways to get the players that are there to be firing. It can be a big ask for him. But one, Didi Dramani have the ability to be able to do that. Two, Charles did that. So he should find a way to get a result. Oshe Hearts last 4 games on my bar. They have only scored 1-0. It has last game and against Karela, it was 0-0. Obo against Nations, Obeshe 1-0. And Olusi 1-0 to Vision. And Oshe Young Apostles 1-0. Now, all of the games where Hearts of Folk have not scored more than 1 goal. Ni normal Lusu or Madro. And to show that the only outlier has versus Swedro or Black Sokobo 2-2 or 1. Then Hearts of Lions 0-0. Hearts versus Basakoli Stars 0-0. Hearts versus Biyoni Gold Stars Olusu 2-1. Hearts versus Bekum Chelsea 0-0. Hearts Kotoko Oshe 1-0. Hearts versus Bechim 0-0. So Hearts constantly ain't mean more than 1 goal or they don't score at all. So the real problem at Accra Hearts of Folk comes down to the player selection. It comes down to the quality of the team players. So no, I say players are starting or game Nima or David Opan Frane or Mohamed Mo or Karim or Hussein. It's Mauli Wayo Mubabe starts. Okay, time you started season not on started with Mauli Wayo. The bigger conversation was that I didn't think that was best attacker at the bench. Did he explain? And I tried to make sense of it. Say he gets the bet out of Mauli Wayo when he comes off the bench.
And it's true. If you bench maybe or starting with me.
But in starting, he's struggling to find. So did he have to find somebody? Especially what? No, Rich. Yeah, go preseason. He should be able to, after some boys in Paris, so able to work with the boys. Maybe they are good enough to start forward, or has have to fix it by finding ways to make me go into the market to go and buy. Very, very important. Now to coach some of what is it.
Also before the game, maybe I know done yet. To catch the boys in the game with at all costs. I say to me, near left here.
So what they
someday or Mama Jom suspension call.
Indeed, a vision any friend is saying Brekum and a young apostles.
Yeah,
39 for young apostles, 38 for Brekum, 38 for vision. Some word or the Brekum phone relegation.
No, but only Brekum phone is didn't come out. I'm sure it's a problem in Yasamobodu. Because players have fit him no corner. To me, and players now as in quality wise, you know. To me, and replacement. So all the to 2 fit him no coin now. Which me for to 2 buy no.
I personally think that the biggest
so they feel the problem and Yasamobodu.
That can be there and okay, granted. But when I look at the data and perusita, I feel like the biggest problem for Brekum is that for the bonus sides, they are very solid on home games.
Yeah.
What makes the difference when you go away from home? And that has been the bad side or the Achilles heel of team of Brekum. Almost every time Brekum Chelsea this season, go and check their away record. In fact, when I look at the standings of the Ghana Premier League, now Mekoko check home and away record now. Rich, you are going to see for yourself, say Brekum Chelsea away no or the relegation. Away no or the relegation. The 3 teams that are battle for relegation, you know, Holy Stars, 11 Wonders, Brekum, Young Apostles, only in the relegation battle. So away from home, these sides are struggling, and that is where Coach Samobodu should be able to watch. In the last few games, the away game saying Aka. The last one boy now was against when they play against Medium winning by 2-1.
Okay.
But you need to be able to look at away matches and get a result. So they have to go away from home against 11 Wonders. It's also 9 away from home to 11 Wonders. Then you look at 2 more games at home. So because of the fact that you have 2 games at home and just 1 game away from home, and you're very close by, I'm expecting to become Chelsea. But next season they should look at our away record and then make sure some best solving.
Josh,
Rich, I love Didi Dramani because when you look at his principles of coach now, he's quite a pragmatic coach. And in 70 years, it looked like he has repeated this over and over again throughout the season. House of Folk and not draw ne kanwa omabo 11 goalless draws. 11 this season alone. 11 goalless draws. Rich, they are making a worse crown. Say when you look at the league log in terms of home and away performance, House of Folk at home, they are lying 16th on the table. This season alone, they've taken only 24 points from home.
Only 24 points.
But Ushe away now, they are first. The problem with House of Folk has been very clear for a while. If Didi Dramani was saying this in the middle of the season, in Kametiasie, because then it will mean that he will have to do a little bit more tweaks. But if the home and away record is anything to go by, and I came to say it before Karela game, no, say House of Folk bebo 3 of the remaining games are Kano at home, and they'll play only 1 away at Samatex. Intiano was the first one on the Karela boy. Their next game they will play at home. They will play against a Dreams. Then
the Dreams are far from power.
You understand? Then they will play away at Samatex before on the final day on the Mediama Abo. I don't even think that has.
So maybe has about Dreams.
About Dream next game.
Difficult game.
Yes.
The next game about Dreams we are no about.
Or Kosamatex.
No Kosama boy.
Yes.
Another difficult game.
Yes.
Now for us about Mediama on the league.
On the last day.
Wow.
And now your home record is no good.
Yeah.
So I'm wondering, can
and
you?
And then this season come. From 3 seasons coming.
Yeah.
Has a they do so well. Bombe fi any man I don't know.
Adriana mum na has bebo the next game. Next game Adriana. It's tough
because Adriana so kwa we no go lose.
Yes. So they also want to come and get the points from you, and you at home you are not scoring. So House of Folk no problem no. It's very interesting. I just hope say at least after this season, if it's about player recruitment, I think I wasn't for it means because we have done that comparison between even House of Folk and Kotoko in terms of squad strength. And we have seen, say, even at the time when the Clasico was being played, the Super Clash was being played, no, it was quite clear, say, in terms of quality, Asante Kotoko was way above Accra House of Folk. But Accra House of Folk, knowing very well, say, Omutiminya goals this season, no, I was even expecting, say, at some point, the attackers, they would have adopted a strategy. Because you cannot always blame the pitch for your performance. You have to find a way to score goals. It's the House of Folk, dear. I really don't know how they will finish the season. Because if they continue playing like this, Rich, they will not get it. And now, Golden City Park, Mediama, yes, they were going away. And after Omushe Bibiani Gold Stars, I think everybody knew, say, it's done and dusted. But to say they may be kind, no, Saturday, any question do in common. And I know, say, Gold Stars, for no, if they are not able to win that game against Mediama, they shouldn't give up. They shouldn't give up because it is not over. So, from the look of things, it will go down to perhaps the last day. And you never know. To say points gap near 2 pay.
Bet you.
So, for all you know, in the remaining 3 games, anything could happen. But if you ask me, I really think that Mediama has a better chance because Omo performance this season, their consistency, and you look at the fact, say, Ibrahim Tanko, the things that he wants to achieve with the boys, Salim Adams Small, the kind of performances, when you give him a dead ball situation, he's able to convert. They are still in position. I think they need to just calm their nerves down and then prepare very well for the remaining games and try and win it.
I'm talking for party no baso. Yami Aduma, this month on the 16th in Pacho Utimia, show date